Hi, my name is Dylan Kong, and I made three 3D printed things: box, pods, and case. My goal was to design a box called Acro Bins, make AirPods that completely failed, and a Raspberry Pi case. I took the Acro Bins design and I made it into Solidworks, 3D printed, and it came out differently, but yeah. I had the AirPods and I tried to model them and it came out like this. And then I took the Raspberry Pi, measured it, and it came out as this for the case. And to build it, I just downloaded it onto an SD card, put it into the printer, and it printed it. My goal was partially met because this case was too tall. So when you put the Raspberry Pi in, it's too big. My AirPods are not AirPods; they're just sticks with a ball on the end of it. And then my bin was actually how I expected it to come out. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
You guys have any questions? What software did you use to 3D print those or 3D model? Solidworks?
What's it supposed to do, like the box?
This?
Yeah.
This just holds the Raspberry Pi.
What's a Raspberry Pi?
It's a tiny computer.
You use it on Fibology.
Yes.
What was the most difficult part of the project?
All of them?
Is it design or program or?
There in SolidWorks, there's only designing it and
So why did the AirPods, for example, why wasn't it successful?
because there's less shape for it and it's incredibly difficult to form, and it came out like this.
All right, you guys have any other questions? Liam?
No.
No, you don't have questions?
I think he answered every question I had.
All right, give him a round of applause, guys.